is how it came out. See, it has a firm consistency. Look at those raisins. And it's crazy because I didn't expect it to come out like this. I thought it would be rice, but it came more like a pudding. And I actually, let's see. You don't know, guys. It tastes so freaking good. And this was an accident. I was just experimenting, but guys, it tastes so good. It's funny because it looked like pumpkin pie, but it's carrots and bananas. Carrots and bananas. That's why it has that soft consistency. You can see. If you're a person who like the texture in your food, like that soft mushiness, it's fine. You'll like it. You just have to give it time to cool and get the firm consistency, and it's fine. Look at that. God, this is so good. I was just experimenting. Accidents happen, but this was really good. Guys, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you try this recipe. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jan, just being creative. Bye-bye.